Hello everyone, my name is Joey and this is Burtoni Motors. In today's video, we are working on my 2019 Royal Enfield Continental GT 650, putting on some fork gaiters to the bike. I've wanted to put these on for a while, but they're such a pain in the ass. You have to like drop the forks, slide them on, put them back on. I just didn't want to touch it. And now that I'm doing a whole bunch of other things to the bike, new clip-ons, new headlight bracket, things like that, this was the time that I wanted to just throw those gaiters on. That being said, this video, we started working on this bike like 2 or 3 weeks ago, and then work got busy, things like that. And I realized when I did my intro like a few weeks ago that I had no audio on that video. So we've already started doing it here. Let's walk over to the bike. Look at, there's the Ducati. So pretty. It doesn't start right now because, you know, it's Ducati and has Italian batteries. But look at those fork gaiters. If you don't know what a fork gaiter is, it's basically this. When I was little, I had fork gaiters on some of my first dirt bikes, and I thought all the cool bikes that had upside down forks didn't have these, and that's when you were real cool. Now that that's being said, I want them on this bike. Everyone say hi to Led. Hi, Led. Led is the president, CEO, CMO, chief engineer, chief designer, intern of Project Racing. If you guys don't know what Project Racing is, it's basically Led's... Led, how would you describe Project Racing? It's a passion project, and we should support people's passion, just like you guys support me. That being said, I have a bunch of new merchandise that you guys could also support. All right, that being said, let's jump onto the bike and get working. They're basically installed, but what we need to do is just finish cleaning up the front of the bike, along with a few other pieces, new clip-ons, headlight bracket, and these boys. Is this uncomfortable? Listen to that. Oh. All right, let's get working. And quick introduction, if you guys are new to the channel, my name's Joey, and this is my channel, Burtoni Motors. I do car stuff, I do motorcycle stuff. I've got a Royal, which is back there. I've got my Ducati Panigale V2. I don't know if I'm looking at it. Am I looking at it? Yeah. Wait, let's go look at it. These are not my cars. Those are Hummers by no spec. I'm not that cool, but that's my Ducati, my friend's Ducati. That's Led's Husky. I've started this channel like 2.5 years ago, something like that. Just basically as another outlet for my love and passion of the motorcycle and car industry. Currently also working on a 91 Jetta and engine swapping that, and also a BMW 328i, which I'm turning into my first ever drift car. So yeah, hopefully you guys like what we're doing. Look at the snow, that sucks. But hopefully you guys are interested in that, and it would be great if you hit that like button and that subscribe button. That's right, I just did the most cliche YouTube bullshit ever by asking you to like and subscribe, but it really helps me and this channel grow, so you might as well do it. Thanks, guys. Over the next few moments, I'm going to show you how I put my fork gaiters on my Royal Enfield. Since I was doing other things to the front of the bike, like new clip-on bars, new headlight bracket, etc., I had to take off much more than you're going to need to. Basically, what you're going to need is to lift your bike off the ground a bit, so you can see that I've used a single motorcycle stand from Amazon to do so. Once the bike is off the ground, loosen the bolts holding the clip-on bars, but make sure that they are affixed to something, because they're going to swing back and hit your tank if they don't. But then, once that's happened, loosen the bolts on the top and bottom triple clamp. This will allow you to drop the fork tubes down, where you can then slide the gaiters on. Oh, put it on. Call me daddy. These get tucked around. I'm real close to. So it's fine. It's fine.
On there.
I stopped counting. But you're fucking killing it, bud.
Yeah, that's good. That's hard on a three-wheel bike. I can do it on my like fixed gear really well.
So, fun thing happened when I was finishing up this video. My camera failed and corrupted all the files, no audio or anything like this. I'm glad I had a secondary GoPro running just to make sure I had this time lapse happening. But to reverse the process, right, once the gaiters are on, and there's a small little clip with a screw that attaches to the top of the gaiter to make sure it doesn't like encroach up or down. Then the bottom part of the gaiter actually just like sits over the fork leg. Once that's tight, and you're going to be able to change where it's at in the future, basically reverse the process, right? Slide those fork legs back up. You need to tighten your triple clamp and make sure you like look and see if you need to put some like Loctite on your screws or your bolts, and then make sure you have the torque rating for those bolts. Slide it up, and then you are good to go. This is a reminder that if I am smart enough to do this, you are more qualified than me. You can do this too. So as you guys heard in the video a few minutes ago, my Sony, my main camera died. All the files got corrupted when I brought them over. I even had issues with my GoPro, my primary GoPro that I also like record with. So what a crazy day of installing. Obviously the part's already installed. I don't want to go uninstall it to reinstall it, but thank you guys for watching this video. I know it's not normal in any capacity. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. More Royal Enfield videos coming up. I need to get this one out because it's Sunday and tomorrow's Monday, and of course I don't want to break my schedule, but I'm trying to figure out more creative ways to showcase how I installed some of these parts with missing content. So fingers crossed I can figure that out. Bye guys.